It's a box. I got a box. It's a box from Corsair Memory Incorporated, which is in fact the parent company of the company that we call Elgato. That makes a whole bunch of devices for streaming and streamers, including the device that I bought called the Stream Deck. They announced a few weeks ago the white Stream Deck. I was in the market for a new Stream Deck, and so I bought a white Stream Deck, and this is the box that it came in. I've been using a black Stream Deck Mark 1, the 15-button Stream Deck, for a little while, and you may have seen it in some of the Spaceage videos, but it absorbs the light on camera, and I wanted a white one. And it comes with some bubbles with air. There you go, free with every Stream Deck purchase, and this is it, the new Stream Deck, the white Stream Deck. The overhead camera, here it is. That's a nice picture of it right there. Hold up to the front camera, hold up to Mark. Mark could get a good shot of that. There it is, I'll turn it around. You can probably find pictures like this on, you know, pick your e-commerce website. It's centered on the overhead camera here so we can see it nicely. There it is. It's what I would call a pretty good unboxing experience. It comes with, a white removable USB cable. Let's see how long it is. It is, I would call that about 5 feet long. The nice thing about the newer Stream Deck, I actually got one of the older Stream Decks here, is that it has a removable cord. The old one had a cord which was permanently attached. You didn't have to worry about losing the cord, but what it meant when you moved it around, you had to wrap it up or whatever. Or if something went wrong with the cord, the whole deck is hosed. So the other change in the Stream Deck Mark 2 compared to the Mark 1 is that it's got a non-adjustable. So the Stream Deck Mark 1, which this is, has the stand is kind of adjustable. You can kind of choose it's got these little notches here. Let's see if you can see the little notches up there. There's the little notches, and you can kind of either put the whole thing in the notch and hold it up at about the same height that this is, or you can use these guys here to kind of adjust the height. And I kind of like it at a lower height. This is sort of ergonomically difficult to reach it at this height. I probably will use it just flat on the desktop, which is mostly what I've done with this one. And the other thing with the new Stream Deck Mark II is it's got removable and replaceable faceplates, and so they actually sell different faceplates. That's easy to say. And you can get a white one for the black one, but this one's all white. The whole case for it is white. Other than that, it is pretty much exactly the same. Pretty much exactly the same as the Mark 1. It's got the same screen resolution. It's got the same number of buttons. There are 15 buttons here. I like it. I think I like the way it looks on screen there. I probably will not end up using this part of it, which is a shame. It's actually nice and solid, but you have to really get it right, you'd have to really put it away, and I want to get it right underneath me because I'm using this with Visibox. Let me plug it in, and we'll get the screen lit up here, and see what it looks like. That's plugging in the USB-C in the back there. It's got a nice little indentation, so it'll still sit flat. Yeah, that's nice. There it is. I've got it plugged in, and it's got the Stream Deck logo. I already like it better on camera than the black Stream Deck. Let's light it up and see what it looks like. So on the computer here, with Visibox, Visibox kind of takes over the whole Stream Deck, and we actually don't use the Stream Deck software yet. And as you can see, Visibox takes over the bottom here and gives you the buttons to stop, to go back and forward a clip, and to go up and down a song. So as you can see on the screen here, I've got just the latest project that I had open. And as I go up and down, I'm selecting the song. And if I go left or right, it'll play the consecutive videos. If I hit stop, it'll stop. But you can see, really nice. It looks great. So I like it. I think the white Stream Deck looks great. I'm going to do another video at some point in the future and talk about using a Stream Deck with Visibox and kind of what it gives you and stuff like that. But for now, at least, you can see that it's pretty. I've created a song and filled it with a bunch of images and videos. And if I trigger them here, you can see it's triggering them on my screen. And if you're not familiar with Visibox, this window in the upper right-hand corner is what would show on a screen behind you if you're performing. And so you can get these great videos and control them. You could control them through MIDI or Stream Deck here, and visual feedback, right? There's always that fear, particularly in a performance situation where you want to be sure that the button that you hit, when you hit it, it's going to do exactly what you want. And this gives you that feedback to let you know exactly what's going to happen. I like it. White Stream Deck, unboxed. Looks great. Thanks, everybody.